So the match will be played between Devanch Sports Sakrar and Bhumi Strikers. So the first delivery itself getting a right punishment, and it's six declared by umpire. So the two officials there on field are Mr. Munna Dabolkar and Mr. Amay Naik. So the opening pair on strike is Vishan and Manoj, non-striker. Time a good delivery by bowler here. Batter getting a single there. So score moves to 7 on board. So the Kamlesh will be bowling his third delivery of the first over. So the match is going on between Bhumi striker Asnoda and Devanch Sports Sakrar. So three deliveries have been bowled. Sorry, two deliveries have been bowled. Score is 7 on the board. Third delivery better there. Manoj misses ball completely. So dot delivery by Kamlesh here. Left-handed batter. Manoj on strike this time, a good delivery. Right on the block hole it was, and a good shot by Manoj, getting four valuable runs for himself, his team. Score moves to 15. Sorry, 11 on the board for this Bhumi strikers, Astnoda. Kamlesh, fourth time in his over. Good delivery. Manoj towards his leg side. Didn't manage to get a single. So dot delivery by Kamlesh here. Score remain as it is. 11 on the board for Bhumi strikers batting first here. Next delivery, a good delivery. Manoj here just managed to push ball towards his leg side, and ball crosses for four valuable runs for Manoj himself and his team. Now the score is 15 on the board for Bhumi strikers here. So after completion of one over, score is 15 on board for Bhumi strikers. So I welcome all the cricket lovers on this Raina ground, Murmusem 2M. This is the first All Goa worldwide heavy ball cricket tournament organized by Rashtrori Boys, Parsem, in the late memory of Mr. Ratesh Salgaonkar, alias Daji. So the second over for this Devan Sports Sakral will be bowled by Amit. Amit, first time in his over. To Vishan. Vishan, a good shot towards mid-wicket region. Crosses for a single, trying to get a second when run completely. A fumble there on the field there. And batters there managed to cross for three valuable runs. Score moves to 18. Not to forget, this is the second over in progress of the first inning. The match is going on between Bhumi Strikers, Asnoda, and Devan Sports, Sakrar. Amit, second time in his over. To Manoj now. The left-handed classy batter from Asnora. Right in the block hold, the last delivery was. Still Manoj managed to hit the ball, crosses for a single. Score moves to 19. Ambrish, good fielding there. This time a good shot, maybe landing in the safe hands of the fielder there. Yes, Ambrish taking a good judge catch on the boundary line there. So Vishan from Asnoda departs here. Score remains as it is. On strike there for Bhumi Strikers. Amit getting prize wicket of Vishan there. Still there, Manoj on non-strikers, and this time a good delivery. And a chance of a run out missed by fielder there. He didn't manage to hit the wickets there. So Manoj will be on strike now. 1 run taken. Second over in progress for Devansh Sports. Amit to Manoj. Good delivery right in the block hole. Still Manoj hitting ball towards his leg side, crosses for 2 22 on the board. Just the second over in progress. Manoj, the handy left-hander from Asnoda, doing a right job. This time a good delivery. Batter misses completely. A dot delivery to end the over for Devansh Sports. Score remains as it is. 22 on the board. Time first delivery of the third over. A right punishment given by Sid Wernecker. Ball crosses for 6 valuable runs for Bhumi Strikers here. Score moves to 28 now. First delivery of the third over. Akshay once again a very loose delivery and the right punishment given by Sid Wernecker here. 2 consecutive sixes by Sid here. Akshay getting punishment in 2 consecutive deliveries he has bowled here. Score moves to 34 now. Third over in progress. Third delivery and a good shot. As many as 4 runs for the batter here. So after 2 consecutive sixes plus these 4 for Sid Wernecker here. 38 on the board now. So Akshay here, not up to the mark for Sakral team this time. Up high in the air there the ball, and bowler itself doing a fumble here. And meanwhile, batter trying to get 2 runs. They got it comfortably. So last delivery, 40 on the board now with that 2 for Sid Wernecker. Fifth time in over, and batter there doing himself a fumble. Misses ball completely. A dot delivery followed by 2 sixes and 6 and 2 runs by Sid here. Score remain as it is. 40 on the board and a wayward wide pulled by Akshay. And appeal there for last delivery. It was a wide. Once again, good comeback by this bowler here. A dot delivery followed by a white ball. Score is 41 on the board. After completion of 3 overs, Bhumi Strikers batting first has scored 41 on the board. Sid Wernecker, 2 sixes, a 4. Praveen will be bowling the fourth and final over of this inning, to be bowled by Devansh 11. Sakral. This time a loose delivery and batter, left-handed batter from Asnoda. Manoj misses ball completely. A dot delivery. Score remain as it is. Fourth and final over in progress for Devansh 11. This time once again a good delivery, clean bowled here. Manoj is clean bowled. Score remain as it is, 41 on the board. So good comeback for Devansh 11. So Manoj scoring 11 runs for himself, his team. So the score is 41 for Bhumi Strikers after completion of 3.2 overs. Last over in progress for Devansh 11. This is the match going on between Devansh 11 and Bhumi Strikers. Third delivery. It was a dot delivery and batter there trying to get a cheeky single. Gaurish sacrificing his wicket. So score remain as it is, 41. Praveen. Good bowling performance for his team here. A comeback, I can say, for Devansh 11. Gaurish is replaced by Samir here. For Bhumi Strikers Asnoda. Sid Wernecker is on strike now. 3 dot deliveries bowled by this bowler Praveen for Devansh 11. Fourth delivery, A dot delivery, no, a wayward bite declared by umpire here. So score moves to 42 now. This time a good delivery, comeback delivery by Praveen here. Score remain as it is. Sit Vanegar misses that last delivery, a dot delivery. Only one run has been given by Praveen. This time a loose delivery, but a good catch. Judge catch taken on the boundary line there by fielder. So Sid Vanegar departs here for Bhumi Strikers Asnoda. Score remain as it is. 42 on the board. Last delivery to go. So Praveen pulling the fourth over has given only one run. He has certainly restricted Bhumi Strikers better. He got two wickets, I think. Devraj here for Bhumi Strikers. Misses ball completely. Trying to get a cheeky run and he's out. So score remains as it is 42 on the board. So target will be 43 for Devansh 11 Sakral to win this match. So good bowling performance by Praveen there. He has given only one run in the final over. So the target is 43 on the board given by Bhumi Strikers to Devansh 11 to win this match. So I request 12 men of the betting side. Please come near commentary box. Devansh 11, please send your 12th man. So the first over of the second inning, and batter is out on the first delivery here. Not to forget, they are chasing the target of 43 runs. So the batter who is dismissed is Madan. Non-striker is Amresh. And the batter replacing Madan is Sagar. Second delivery. A dot delivery too. So the Devansh 11 yet to open their account. Not to forget, they are chasing the target of 43 runs set by Bhumi strikers Asnoda. Third delivery right in the block hole. Batter misses ball completely and trying to get a cheeky single and managed to get it comfortably. So Devansh 11 open their account with that single. Score is 1 on the board. So request goes to Onish and Onit Parvarim and MSC Savantwada captain. Please come near commentary box for toss. Amresh on strike batter for Devansh 11 now. One on the board this time, trying to hit towards his leg side. Just managed to push the ball and getting a single run. Score is 2 on the board for Devansh 11 now. Now the left-hander batter. Sagar on strike. This time a good delivery, a dot delivery by bowler here. Score remain as it is. 2 on the board. So I request captain of Adnesh and Aunit Parvarim and MSC Savantwada, please come near commentary box for toss. So the captain of MSC Savantwada is here. So we are requesting captain of Aunit and Aunesh, please come near commentary box. So after completion of first over, score is 6 on the board. So more 37 runs required for this Devansh 11 to win this match. So captain of Parvarim, Avnesh and Avnit, please come near commentary box for toss. The next match will be played between MSC Savantwada and Avnesh and Avnit Parvarim. So the second over for Bhumi strikers, Asnoda will be bowled by Vishant. First delivery, wavered wide declared by official Munna Davolkar there. So extras open their account for Devansh 11. Score moves to 3 now. Sorry, 7. Time next delivery once again a wavered wide declared by umpire there. One more extra for Devansh 11. Score is 8 on the board now. Vishan, third time in is over and better there, trying multi shot, getting single run, trying to get second one, getting it comfortably. and score moves to 10 now for Devansh 11. Vishan, a wayward wide once again by Vishan. He has already given 3 wide runs for this Devansh 11, missing his length regularly now. Next delivery, a good delivery, a dot delivery, good comeback delivery by Vishan here. This time a good shot towards his leg side, but this batter safely landed in the hands of fielder there. Manoj taking a good judge catch on the boundary line. So the second wicket departs here for Devansh 11. Sakral. Score remain on 11. Not to forget, they are chasing the target of 43 runs. 11 on the board. So the batsman replaced is Akshay here for Devansh 11. 11 on the board. Second over in progress. This time a good delivery by bowler here. Vishan. Dot delivery. Akshay on strike batter. This time Akshay misses ball completely. A dot delivery once again by Vishan here. We are yet to see some good hits by the Devansh 11 batters. Not to forget they are chasing a target of 43 runs. This time ball high up in the air and safely landing in the hands of wicketkeeper. Batter departs prize wicket for this Vishan. Score remain as it is. 11. So after completion of 2 overs, that is 12 deliveries, score is 11 on the board. So the third over will be bowled by Samir for Bhumi Strikers. Good delivery. Better misses is completely, so dot followed by this bowler. So last 3 deliveries bowled are dots for Bhumi Strikers. Samir, once again a good delivery, a dot delivery, 2 consecutive dot deliveries by Samir here in the third over. This time a good delivery, batter just pushes ball towards his leg side, crosses for a single. So the score moves to 12 now for Devansh 11. the left-handed batter, Siddesh, on strike. For Devanchila, this time a good shot. Crossing the inner circle, landing the safe hands of the mid of region batter there. Crosses for a single, the score moves to 13 now. 43 is the target, 13 on the board. So more 30 runs required in the remaining deliveries for this Devan Chilawan to win this match. So the next match will be played between MSC Mandrem and Advit and Avnit brothers Kharrem. So Kharrem side won the toss and decided to field first. So batter replaced here is Vinod. He will be on strike. Score is 13 on the board. This time a good shot. Crosses the boundary line for maximum 6 runs by Vinod here. For himself, his team score moves to 19 on the board. So after batting first, Bhumi Strikers has scored 42 runs, set a target of 43 runs, and Devan Chilawan has still now scored 19 on board. Third over in progress. Samir will be bowling his next delivery to Vinod. Time a good delivery. Wicket keeper mismanaged and dropped the catch, and batter crosses for a single. Score moves to 20 on the board. So 23 runs required in 6 official deliveries to be bowled by Bhumi Strikers. Last over remaining, 23 runs required. All eyes will be on Vinod, who has already hit a 6 for himself, his team. So the score is 20 after completion of 3 overs. So the final over for Bhumi Striker will be bowled by Gauresh here. Facing him will be Vinod, on strike batter for Devan Chilawan. 6 deliveries, 23 runs required. This time, a good shot by Vinod here. Towards his leg side, a good fielding there by the young fielder there. Throwing the ball towards the wicket keeper, and Vinod crosses meanwhile for 2 valuable runs. Score moves to 22. So as many as 5 deliveries remaining in this final over of the second inning. Vinod misses ball completely this time. Crosses for us by single runs. Leg by declared by official there. 23 on the board now. So more 20 runs required in 4 remaining deliveries of this final over. Now the left-handed batter on strike. For Devanjilan this time, a good delivery right in the block hole. Dot delivery by Gauresh. Now the target looking difficult. 3 delivery this time, a good shot, and ball landing above the head of that young fielder from Bhumi Strikers. 4 for this left-handed batter. Score moves to 27 now. Once again, dot delivery by this bowler Gauresh for Bhumi Strikers. So they can hope they will win the match because target is too difficult now. Last delivery, a dot delivery. So 3 consecutive dot deliveries bowled by this Gauresh, the bowler from Bhumi Strikers. Congratulations to Bhumi Strikers Asnora. They have won this match beating Devansh 11. Well played, Devansh 11. So the man of the match, last match played, Bhumi Strikers and Devansh 11 is